RAIN's been invaluable. Within the nuclear industry, we have quite a siloed mentality, and being able to work with places like RAIN, where you're countering that within the academic industry. RAIN is a massive group of universities all working together on these amazing challenges. And if we can work together with universities, it makes it so much easier for the likes of me at Sellafield to take that technology and push it towards the plants to get them to accept it.
Biggest value that I've seen today is the breadth of the research that's going on. LongOps is very end user focused. We've got 3 use cases supporting decommissioning at JET, Fukushima and Sellafield. The research that's going on at RAIN, I can see synergies in all those 3 use cases, applications of each of those research areas in those use cases. So it's really good in that respect. It's like everyone doing their own thing, trying to solve their own problems, but there's so many problems which, if different people do come together, you can solve it a lot quicker. You can solve it a lot cheaper as well. And that's one of the main areas of decommissioning, which appeals most in that environment. RAIN helps foster that collaboration, which is really good.
I think it's been really great. It's been nice to hear about the other aspects of research that's going on and how they all relate to each other but have their own different areas, and see how it's actually applied to real world situations. It's been really nice to see the whole picture together.